Okay, please type present in your chat. Good afternoon. Please type present in your chat box. Dears, please type present in your chat box.
Okay.
Okay, shall we start? Yes.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I am going to
Yes.
mute. Okay, I am going to mute you all. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss. Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay. What did we study in the last class? Jai Hind, isn't it? Jai Hind, isn't it? Today, we can make a revision, okay? Today, we are going to revise our lesson, Jai Hind. Are you ready? Yes or no? Please raise your thumbs. Are you ready? Okay. All of you, please show me your textbook. Please show me your textbook. Yes. Okay. Now we can discuss it once more. Okay. We can discuss it once more. Jai Hind. In this lesson, we have studied about our flag, isn't it? We have studied about our flag. Rududev, can you say the colors of our flag?
Saffron, white, and green.
Yes, very good. Saffron, white, and green. Because it is, we call our flag as tricolor because it has three colors, isn't it? Our flag has three colors. Yes. Now, there is a blue wheel in the center, isn't it? There is a blue wheel in the center. Okay. Devapriya. Devapriya. What's the name of that blue wheel? Blue wheel. What's the name of that blue wheel? You don't know? Bhavika? Bhavika, can you say?
Ashoka Chakra.
Yes, very good. Ashoka Chakra. And there are some sentences, isn't it? Read the sentences. Write Y for yes or N for no. Okay. Who will read? Who is ready to read? Yes. Ishan is ready to read. Okay. Ishan, you can read.
We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on December 1.
Is it right?
New
or
Delhi
yes?
is the
Ishan,
capital
Ishan,
of
please wait.
India.
Please wait. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 1st December. Is it
December.
right or
Yes.
wrong? Yes or no?
No. No.
Yes. No. Answer is no. Okay.
No.
Then next one.
New Delhi is the capital of India. Yes,
Yes.
New Delhi is the
Capital of India. Yes.
ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിരിക്കണം.
Okay, next one. Afrin. Afrin. You can read the second one. Please read the second one.
Yes.
Okay.
And capital of
India. New Delhi is the capital of India. Is it correct? Yes or no? Yes. Third one. Who will read? Avedya. Avedya, can you read the third one?
people who live in India are called Indians.
Yes. People who live in India are called Indians. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Then last one, fourth one. Okay. Godwin.
We celebrate Republic Day on 2 October.
We celebrate Republic Day on 2nd October. Yes or no? No.
No.
Yes. No. No is the answer. Then next one. Tick the correct answers. Now we are just revising these things. Okay. നിങ്ങൾ മറന്നു പോവാതിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മളൊന്ന് റിവൈസ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. Okay. Next one. Tick the correct answers. The other name for India is. The other name for India is Bharat Lakshman. Which one, Christo? Christo? The other name for India is? Other name for India?
Bharat.
Yes, very good. Bharat. Then next one. Our national flower is the rose lotus. Which one? Which one? Okay, Shansa. Okay, Shansa.
Miss,
I can't hear. Our national flower is the rose lotus. Which one is the correct answer? Shansa, can you answer? Which is our national?
Yes.
Okay, please say the answer.
Lotus.
Yes, very good. Lotus. Okay. Next one, third one. We celebrate Independence Day on. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August, 26th January. Which one? 15 August, 26th January. Albert. We celebrate Independence Day on yes, Bhavika knows the answer. She says the answer, okay? Albert, now you say the answer.
First question.
We celebrate Independence. No, we celebrate Independence Day on which day? 15 August. Yes, very good. 15 August. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. Yes. Okay, then you can see that the name of my state is. The name of my state is. Name of my state is. What is name of our state? You can write there Kerala. The name of my state is Kerala. Please write there. The name of my state is Kerala. You can see the spelling on the screen. Screen il nokkite ezhuka Kerala. 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 Okay, our state is Kerala. Okay, did you write it? Kerala. Kerala. Did Shansa, did you write it? No. Write there Kerala. Kerala. എന്താണ് നമ്മള് കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പറഞ്ഞ കാര്യം തന്നെയാ പറഞ്ഞത്. നമ്മളൊന്ന് റിവിഷൻ ചെയ്തതേ ഉള്ളൂ. കേരളയുടെ സ്പെല്ലിംഗ് Kerala. കേരള. The name of my state is Kerala. ആരെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങളോട് ചോദിക്കോ what is the name of your state? What will be your answer? Kerala. Kerala. Kerala is our state. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. You can see a blue wheel in the center of our flag, isn't it? There are some lines, isn't it? You can see some lines. Yes or no? You can see some lines in the Ashoka Chakra, isn't it? Yes. This line, did you know how many lines are there in this Ashoka Chakra? എത്ര ലൈൻസ് ഉണ്ടെന്ന് ആർക്കെങ്കിലും അറിയുമോ? ഇഷാൻ അറിയുമോ? കുറെ ആൾക്കാർ കൈ പൊന്തിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ആർക്കെങ്കിലും അറിയോ? Did you know the answer? Okay, Dhyan. Okay, Dhyan, you can say.
24.
Yes, there are 24 lines. There are 24 lines. Not lines, we say it as spokes. Spoke, S-P-O-K-E-S. We can see 24 spokes in our Ashoka Chakra. 24 spokes. This 24, each spoke represents an hour. We have 24 hours, isn't it? നമുക്ക് എത്ര hours ആണുള്ളത്? എത്ര മണിക്കൂറാണ്? 24 hours. Isn't it? Yes. So, this spokes in our national flag denotes hours, each hours. This 24 lines denotes 24 hours. Is it clear? എല്ലാവർക്കും മനസ്സിലായോ? മനസ്സിലായെങ്കിൽ എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് thumbs raise ചെയ്തേ. Please raise your thumbs. Any doubt? Any doubt? No doubt. Okay. Angel? Any doubt? Angel, any doubt? No doubt.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Don't forget to type present in your chat box. ആരെങ്കിലും മറന്നു പോയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ present type ചെയ്യണം. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് absent ഇട്ട് പോകും. Okay. Only 37 are marked their attendance. Okay. ആരെങ്കിലും മറന്നവർ മാത്രം ഇട്ടാ മതി. ഇട്ടവരിടണ്ട. Okay, then shall we move to the next one? Before that, our flag is made of khadi. Khadi. Did you heard about khadi? Khadi is a type of cloth. A type of cloth. Khadi is a type of cloth. We can see that our flag is made of a cloth, isn't it? Our flag is made of a cloth. And it is made of khadi cloth. Khadi. നമ്മുടെ ഫ്ലാഗ് തുണി ഏതായിരുന്നു? ഒരു തുണി വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് ഫ്ലാഗ് നിർമ്മിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. അതേതാണ്? ഖാദിയാണ്. ഖാദി ക്ലോത്ത്. അവർ ഫ്ലാഗ് ഈസ് മേഡ് ഓഫ് ഖാദി. Our flag is made of khadi. Okay. I think you got an idea about our flag. Who will explain a small paragraph about our flag? Who will explain a small? Are you ready? Who is ready to say something about our flag? Bhavika, Are you ready? Please raise your thumbs if you are ready to say anything about our flag. Okay, many of you have raised your hands. Okay. Parvana. Parvana. Say something about our flag. Parvana, can you say something about our flag? No. You can say its color, about the blue wheel, about Ashoka Chakra. Okay, okay, Parvana. No, okay, who will explain it? Albert, Ishan, and Bhavika is ready. Ridudev ready. Okay, very good, dears. Any others? Gayatri is ready. Annagri is ready. And Albert is ready. Jaswell. Okay, Jaswell. You can say a few words about our flag. You can say,
Is it right? This tricolor.
yes, tricolor.
Okay.
Saffron, white, green.
Yes, very good. Its colors are saffron, white, and green. Then
Blue wheel.
Blue wheel.
Center.
yes, we can see a blue wheel in the center of our national flag.
Name is Ashoka. Tara? Name.
Name is Ashoka.
Yes, its name is
Ashoka.
Ashoka Chakra. Yes, very good.
Ashoka.
Ashoka Chakra.
Ashoka. Ashoka.
Okay, then,
Nada.
okay, you can mute your audio. Very good. And who will be next? Who will explain? Who is ready to explain? Say a few words about our flag. Okay. Abdul Hadi is ready, isn't it? Okay, you can say.
Colors.
Yes. It is
Orange,
Orange അല്ല saffron,
saffron,
white,
white, green.
yes, very good.
Ashoka Chakra, blue.
A blue wheel is Ashoka Chakra. Okay, very good. Very good.
24 spot. Parada. It has Adi.
Okay, very good. You can mute your audio. Next, who will ready to answer? Kashinath. Okay, Kashinath, you can say.
Is called the tricolor.
Yes, it is
It
called.
has three colors, saffron and green.
Saffron
There
and
is
green.
a book under.
Yes.
It is called the Ashoka Chakra.
Okay, very good.
Chakra.
Okay, very good. Very good, Kashinath. Then Ishan. Okay, Ishan, you can read.
India's flag has tricolors: saffron, white, and green. It's called the tricolor.
Yes.
There is a blue wheel in the center.
Yes.
It is called the Ashoka Chakra.
Yes. Very good. Ishan, very good. Then Ridudev. Ridudev.
Our flag is the tricolor: saffron, white, and green. There is a blue wheel in the center. This is called a Ashoka Chakra.
Yes. Very good, Ridudev. Okay. Then who is ready? Okay. Albert. Albert is ready. Okay. You can read Albert. Okay. You can say Albert.
Our flag is called tricolor.
Yes. Very good.
It has three colors: saffron, white, and green.
Yes. Saffron, white, and green. And
There is a blue wheel
yes.
in the center.
Yes.
It is Ashoka Chakra.
Yes. Very good, Albert. Then, okay. Gayatri.
It is called it, the tricolor.
Yes.
It is has three colors:
Yes.
saffron, white, and green.
Yes.
There is a blue wheel in the center. It is called Ashoka Chakra.
Yes. Very good. Very good, Gayatri. Then who will say? Okay, Avedya. Avedya, you can say.
It has three colors: saffron, white, and green.
Yes.
And the blue wheel in the center.
Yes.
It is called the Ashoka Chakra.
Yes. Very good. It is called the Ashoka Chakra. Then Bhavika. Okay, you can read Bhavika.
It is called the tricolor. It has three colors: saffron, white, and green.
Yes.
There is a blue wheel in the center. It is called the Ashoka Chakra.
Yes. Very good. Then next one. Who is ready? Who is ready? Anna Grace. Anna Grace, please say a few words about our flag.
White and green.
Yes. Then
Ashoka Chakra.
yes.
People.
Yes. Very good. Then very good, Anna. Next one, Samajna. Okay, Samajna.
Our national flag is Tianga. It has three colors: white and green.
Saffron, white and green. Okay, then
There's a blue wheel in the center. It is called Ashoka Chakra.
okay, very good. Very good. Then who is ready? Angel. Okay.
It is called the tricolor.
It
It
has
has three colors: saffron, white, and green.
okay.
There is a blue wheel in the center. It is called the Ashoka Chakra.
Yes, very good. Then Devapriya. Devapriya. Okay. You can say.
It is our flag is made up of
Okay.
khadi.
Yes, very good. Then
It was three color:
yes. Then
saffron, white, green.
yes, very good. Saffron, white and green. And one more point is there.
It is 24.
What about the blue wheel?
Ashoka Chakra.
Yes, Ashoka Chakra is the blue wheel in the center of our flag. Okay, very good, Devapriya. Then Hessa. Hessa, you can say.
Flag is three color:
Okay, then
brown, white, and green.
yes, very good. Then
Blue wheel and
there is
Ashoka Chakra.
yes, there is a blue wheel and it is called Ashoka Chakra. Okay, very good. Hessa, very good. Then Godwin. Okay, Godwin, you can say.
Our flag is tricolor:
Yes.
saffron, white, and green.
Yes.
There is a blue wheel is the center.
In the center. Okay.
It is called Ashoka Chakra.
Yes, it is called Ashoka Chakra. Okay. Then very good, Godwin. Godwin, very good. Then who is ready to say? Who is ready to say? Hassan. Okay, Hassan, you can say.
Our natural flag is tricolor:
Yes. Then Yes, its colors are saffron, white, and green.
Thunder, blue wheel, Ashoka Chakra.
Yes, there is a blue wheel in the center. It is called Ashoka Chakra. Very good, Hassan. ഇനി ആർക്കെങ്കിലും പറയണോ? Please raise your hands. പാർവണ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ലായിരുന്നു. Okay, you can say Parvana.
It is called the tricolor. It is called Ashoka Chakra.
A blue wheel in the center of our flag is called Ashoka Chakra. Okay?
Saffron, white, green.
Yes, saffron, white, green are the colors of our flag. Okay, very good, Parvana. Okay. In this today we have studied, we just revised the chapter Jai Hind, isn't it? Miss എന്തിനാ ഇത് വീണ്ടും വീണ്ടും പറയിപ്പിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് അറിയോ? നിങ്ങൾക്കത് മറന്നു പോകാതിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. In our next class, we will continue or we will start our new lesson. Okay? Our time is over. We can meet in next class. See you. Bye, dears. Okay, bye.